What's up YouTube? How is it going? Welcome back to another daily vlog. Spun me out like that. As you can see, I'm down the shop. Turns out that rubbish was one of the other units, which is good because they cleared it up today, which is good. So it wasn't dumped. It technically was overnight, but I was like, anyway. Been so busy today, so busy. Obviously I'm down the shop, been down the shop all day. It's now 6:30, about 6, just gone. Just printed out some vinyl, the first bit's a bit anyway, for the rally car for Barney, for his rally car, which he's got his first rally on Saturday, I think it is. Might try and see if we can go up to it. I'm not going to get his actual graphics done, but this is just some bits that have got protected, like the roll cage and stuff like that. Done all these. A load of clothing there for the garage, actually, funny enough, Mindles. And then I've done a load more of clothing there, and a load of clothing here, but well, a lot of it's actually been collected, which has been quite nice. Yeah, so now I've locked the door, I've left alone, the door is shut. Feeling a bit worn out now because I've been literally like heat press, next one, heat press. Been a bit of like a, what do they call it? Production line? Yeah, something like that. Anyway, Lisa has gone to, she actually went and did a little bit of shopping, even though I said I will go and do it. But she's gone and grabbed a few bits. She is also taking Jensen to his friends. Excuse me, he's taking Jensen to his friends, and then now she's going back to pick up the friend, drop one of the other kids back, and then go take him home. I've got a bit of artwork left to do. I've got to quickly weed that lot out and run off sun strip. When that's done, I'm proper on it today, proper on it. I found my pen as well. Got to have a good pen. This has actually been alright. This is massive £3. Fibres worth basically, and writes quite well. Quite pleased. Oh god, I can't stop yawning. Yeah, so I'm gonna go and weed this, and I'll get back to you. Well, that's me done for the evening. So that is the Barnaby. Basically what they are strips to go on bits of the roll cage, protect the roll cage where they're getting in and out. There are bits for, what else is it for? Basically just going over to protect parts of the car. Yeah. What else? Packed up everything else, it's all good. Pretty much there. Which is nice for this evening. I was going to say something else as well, and I can't remember what it was. I'll throw in some little snippet that Barney's recorded, sent me of the car with some of the logos on. He's got the BLM Sport bit, Barney Lower Motorsport down the side of it, and the racing squares, you know, where the numbers go. Yeah, so I'll put that in so you can have a look. And I'm going to go home. I'll speak to you later. Bye for now. Well, when I say I was leaving, and I'll speak to you in a bit, I got as far as the car and I went, I forgot to do 2 bits of artwork. And I was like, oh man. And it's getting late now because it's like, where it was like about 20 past 10 when this happened. And I was like, I've got to get it done because I've got some deliveries to make tomorrow. I wasn't sure if I've got to go to the garage. I've got to go to the garage anyway because I've got to do some deliveries to there. And then I was like, sat there, started doing it. And then I was like, oh, I've done one, and the other one I'm halfway through, but as I'm down here tomorrow, I can finish it off tomorrow. So I'm just like, right, that's it. I'm going to call it a day. I haven't had any dinner. I've run out of coffee, to be honest. That's the main issue. There's like about 1 cupful of coffee left, and about 1 cupful of, not even 1 cupful of sugar left. So yeah, that sucks. I'm going to have to go and get some coffee, milk, sugar and that for here tomorrow. Oh well. Anyway, I'm going to end today's vlog here because it is now, late enough. But I'm feeling pretty good. I'm proper on it. The boxes are getting proper empty now. Still lots to do. I've got to do the door. It's go and sign right inside the door, which I've got that to do. There's loads, but the bulk of it is I'm on it, proper on it, which is good. And I've got these to get drilled, these signs going on the wind farm. Yeah, I've really got to sort this out because it's a bit of a mess. Anyway guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now. Like and subscribe and all that.